Ever ask yourself, how can we make an environmental difference? We are calling on companies and government branches, explaining that there are ways you can make a green impact while also being rewarded for it. With Zed Machine, you can make a lasting and economically sustainable green impact when it comes to food waste and sustainable energy solutions. Every year, the world throws away hundreds of millions of tons of food, squandering the water, land, energy, and labor that went into producing it. When that wasted food ends up in landfills, it releases methane, a powerful greenhouse gas that heats the planet far faster than carbon dioxide. At the same time, many communities still struggle with food insecurity, unreliable energy, and degraded soils that make farming more expensive and less productive. The Zed Machine turns this problem into a circular solution by transforming everyday food waste into high-value resources. Instead of trucking organic waste to distant landfills, the machine processes it close to where it is generated, cutting transport emissions and landfill methane at the same time. A single 1 ton per day Zed Machine can divert roughly 365 tons of food waste from landfill each year, avoiding thousands of tons of carbon equivalent emissions, while reducing transport fees. From that diverted waste, the Zed Machine produces sterile organic biomass in large volumes of pathogen-free water. The water helps address local water stress and can support regenerative agriculture practices, reducing dependence on fresh water sources. The biomass becomes a versatile asset, supporting clean energy, animal nutrition, and soil health in one integrated system. Across Africa, energy poverty and reliance on wood and charcoal for cooking remain a daily reality for hundreds of millions of people. Families often must choose between cutting down trees for fuel or going without clean, reliable cooking energy. By converting food waste into a clean biomass fuel, the Zed Machine can help African communities access locally produced cooking fuels, easing pressure on forests while providing a safer, more reliable energy source. That same biomass can be formulated as feed for fish and poultry, strengthening local food supply chains and lowering feed costs for farmers. Used as a soil amendment, it helps regenerate depleted soils, reduce reliance on synthetic fertilizers, and improve crop yields over time. In this way, the Zed Machine supports better food quality, more resilient agriculture, and new green jobs built around circular resource use. For organizations looking at climate goals and green financing, the impact goes even further. By cutting methane emissions, reducing transport, and displacing carbon-intensive inputs like synthetic fertilizers and traditional fuels, Zed Machine projects can support carbon credit generation and ESG reporting. Companies and governments can align these projects with climate finance, green bonds, and just energy transition strategies, especially in regions facing energy poverty and high post-harvest losses. Reach out to Provectus Enterprising to explore how feasible it is for your organization to turn food waste into climate action, curbing food waste, reducing carbon footprints, improving agriculture, and reducing energy poverty in places without abundant energy resources. Together, it is possible to replace a grow and throw system with a circular model that creates jobs, strengthens communities, and leaves a lighter footprint on the planet. Let's do our part to save the planet and live green. For follow-up, contact Provectus Enterprising to discuss implementing circular waste solutions at your organization.